Hi, welcome to Chapter 2, Small Business Entrepreneurs, Characteristics and Competencies. First, we're going to recognize the key aspects of the entrepreneurial personality. They have to have passion. That's the intense, positive feeling entrepreneurs have for their business. Perseverance, my favorite, the ability to stick to activities over long periods, even in the face of setbacks. Promotion, the behaviors related to pursuing plans and preventing losses. Planning style, ranging from comprehensive to habit-based. This reflects how much and about what you ordinarily plan. Professionalism, the extent to which a firm meets or exceeds the standard business practice for the industry. Then you want to assess the operational competencies of the successful entrepreneur. Forms of business-related expertise are called competencies. To be successful, an entrepreneur needs competency in the key business functions, industry-specific knowledge, resource competencies, determination competencies, and opportunity competencies. Recognize the stages of development entrepreneurs and their firms go through. Every firm goes through a similar sequence of developmental stages. Emergence comes before the firm starts, followed by existence. Survival happens to most firms, as does resource maturity. Some firms experience the takeoff stage, but most do not. Each stage poses a distinct challenge to the small business and owner. The majority of businesses are started by teams. Spouses or life partners are the most common form of team. Couple teams can benefit from trust and financial flexibility. Typical problems include lack of agreement, separation of work and family issues, and handling of endings. Similar problems crop up to a non-spouse team also. Family businesses are one of the major forms of small business. The major challenges facing the family business are role conflict, time management, and succession. All three challenges can be met through careful planning. Married couples and non-family partnerships face many of the same problems and solutions. Women-owned and minority-owned businesses are growing at rates faster than any type of businesses. The major challenge facing these businesses is gaining access to opportunity. Second, career entrepreneurship happens when a person is laid off, downsized, given early retirement, mustered out of the military, or concludes taking care of family members in the home. The challenges facing second career entrepreneurs come from having to do everything themselves and using too much of their personal money too soon in the business. Having to do everything can be handled by identifying the tasks to be done ahead of time. Loss of confidence can be dealt with through taking time to heal and by networking with enthusiastic entrepreneurs. Second career entrepreneurs should use their own money only when it makes sense for the business, usually proven through a business plan. Other than that, you really should have the perseverance to keep going when things get rough and to keep pursuing the action of the small business to keep it in play when things are tight in the cash flow. My experience with this is that family members can bicker, and there can be hard feelings when someone wants out or someone wants more money. They don't agree on a decision and they're on forth. I mean, I've seen a lot of it. But overall, the benefits outweigh the risks.